Hello, Marshy! Are you ready for the solar eclipse on Wednesday? No. But do you know what a solar eclipse is? A solar eclipse happens when the moon moves exactly in front of the sun, blocking its light. For a short time, the sky can suddenly become dark. Look what's happening in space! The moon is moving between the sun and the Earth. And this is what we would see from Earth. The moon obscures the sun, and the sky suddenly becomes dark for a few seconds or even minutes, and then the sky becomes blue again. But wait, we must watch the eclipse safely. Never, ever look directly at the sun. I suppose you don't have eclipse glasses? But don't worry, I know a little trick. Here is what you will need: a cereal box, scissors, white paper, aluminum foil, one pin, and some tape. Let's make it! First, cut a piece of white paper the same size as the short side of the box and attach it to the inside bottom of the box. On the opposite side, draw 2 squares. Now carefully cut out the 2 squares. On the top, cover one of the squares with a piece of aluminum foil and secure it with tape. Use one pin to make a single, tiny hole right in the center of the aluminum foil. Perfect! It's done! Now let's see how it works. Look through the open viewing hole. The sunlight enters through the tiny pinhole and creates a projection of the sun on the white paper inside the box. And when the moon moves across the sun, you'll see the eclipse in the projection! Are you excited, Marshy? Let's give it a try! And remember, never, ever look directly at the sun. The sun must always stay behind you. It's coming, Marshy! Be ready! What an incredible, magical moment! The sky goes dark, and then the sun comes back! Enjoy the eclipse, everyone! Don't forget to subscribe to the channel! Thank you!